Gut is called elementary canal. Elementary canal is a place which provides place for the digestion. This is the place where enzymes are being poured. Gut is the place where food is digested and food is absorbed. Therefore, gut is very important feature that we are going to study now. Now, gut is basically classified as two types. The first one is called incomplete gut, and the second one is called complete gut. Incomplete gut and then complete gut. Okay. So what is the difference between the incomplete gut and then complete gut? Students carefully observe these two diagrams. In one diagram, you will find there is a single opening. This is the single opening. This is the single opening. Whereas in the complete gut, you can find two openings. This is called mouth, and this one is called anus. So the gut has two openings. The upper one is called mouth and the lower one is called anus. Through the mouth, food enters into the gut and digestion completes in the gut. After the digestion, undigested waste passes out through the anus. Such kind of gut is called complete gut. Whereas in the first case, you can find only one opening. There is no another opening. Then what do you give name to that particular opening? Can you call it as mouth or anus? How it works? Because there is a single opening. Do you call it as a mouth? Then how undigested waste goes out? So through this opening, food enters into the gut and digestion completed in the gut, and undigested waste goes out through the same opening. Therefore, this single opening acts as both mouth and anus, both inlet and outlet. It is an inlet for entry of food and outlet for fecal matter. So, incomplete gut means the gut without anus or the gut with a single opening. Complete gut means the gut with two openings, upper anterior opening called mouth and lower posterior opening is called anus. So, is it clear to my dear students? Complete gut and incomplete gut. This is very, very important. In the animal kingdom, which animals have complete gut and which have incomplete gut? In which animals complete gut appears? What is the type of gut in human beings? Certainly it is complete gut, because our gut has mouth and anus, that's why we have complete gut. Now, let me continue the next point. Here, gut has single opening that acts as both mouth and anus. Example is platyhelminthes. If you take any flatworm, the flatworm has a single opening and there is no second opening. That opening acts as both mouth and anus. Therefore, the incomplete gut is found in platyhelminthes. In the same way, you can add cnidarians. In cnidarians also, you can find incomplete gut. In ctenophores also, you can find incomplete gut. Okay, if any question is set like this, the animals with incomplete gut. If the options are like this, first one, platyhelminthes, second one, Nidaria, third one, and Ctenophora, fourth one is all. So you must select all. Okay, now come to the another one. The gut has two openings, mouth and anus. Mouth at the upper end, which acts as an inlet through which food enters, and anus is the outlet through which a feces goes out. So we can find the complete gut from Aspirants to chordates. From Aspirants to chordates. This is very, very important. My dear students, with this one point is clear to our mind that based on the gut, animals are divided as two groups. There are some animals which have incomplete gut, and there are some animals which have complete gut. Incomplete gut has single opening, complete gut has double opening. Incomplete gut is found in Nidaria, Ctenophora, platyhelminthes, whereas complete gut is present from Aspirants to chordates up to the man. Okay. Now, my dear students, you will get one more question like this. This is the point. Now look at this. Out of these two, which one is called one-way gut? You can see two diagrams on the screen. My question is, which one is called one-way gut? One-way gut. You may think that the incomplete gut is one-way gut, but it's not true. One-way gut doesn't mean food comes in one direction and it also goes in the same direction. Waste goes out through the same direction. It is wrong. One-way gut. Complete gut is also known as, this is called one-way gut. One-way gut means food enters through one opening and fecal matter goes out through another opening. One-way trophic end. One-way gut means food enters through one opening and feces goes out through another opening. Such gut is called one-way gut. Okay. One-way gut starts first in Aspirants. And you may get one more question like this. In which animals anus developed for the first time? In which animals anus developed for the first time? In Aspirants, the answer is this. In Aspirants, anus developed for the first time. That's why the roundworms, they are the first animals with complete gut, with one-way gut. Now, one more point is, which gut is called sac-like gut? Which gut is called sac-like gut? Incomplete gut is called, this is known as sac-like gut. Sac-like gut. Because the gut is like sac. చూడండి మీరు ఇక్కడ diagram చూడండి. The gut is like a sac. When you see the second picture, the gut is like a tube. So tube-like gut. This is the tube-like gut. So sac-like gut and the tube-like gut. My dear students, you will get questions like this. These are the indirect questions. They may not be given in the NCERT, but based on the NCERT line, this information can be derived. So one-way gut is also called a tube-like gut. One-way gut means complete gut. And another question is, why the gut becomes complete? Because anus developed. As anus developed, this becomes the one-way gut or complete gut. The complete gut appeared first time in Aspirants. This example is Ascaris, Bucararia, Italy. Okay, this is about the gut.
like, comment, share, and subscribe.